PaaTing Reviews presents CARCHET 2.5K Mirror Dash Cam T12. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get a discounted rate. I give this dash cam 5 out of 5 stars. I ordered mine on Amazon, got it within a few days at a very reasonable price, and so far I've been very happy with this dash cam. It comes with a nice huge screen, a nice camera with a built-in multimedia function, especially the voice control ability. I can now put my hands on the steering wheel at all times and drive safer. Stylish edge-to-edge display with touch functionality. I can easily find the destination on the map app while the music is playing from the camera itself. The screen itself is bigger than my palm, and the width this huge screen, I can now see the captured video directly from the camera rather than downloading it to my smartphone or my computer. Overall, I definitely recommend that you get this dash cam. It's a great price, great quality, huge screen, and overall I'm very satisfied with this product. Here's a bit more information about the #1 new release dash cam on Amazon. It's a 2.5K HD resolution. CARCHET T12 Mirror Dash Cam is equipped with 2.5K high definition front camera and 1080p rear backup camera. High definition video gets rid of the limitations of ordinary rear view mirrors and provides you with more details. The 12-inch IPS screen, the front 170-degree and rear 160-degree field of view have a wider and clearer field of view than traditional rear view mirrors and reduce visual blind spots. The Untitled voice control system covers all the voice commands you need to use, freeing your hands, and you don't need to be distracted to adjust the mirror dash cam than when driving. GPS tracking system records all the routes you have been, a map belonging to you alone. The parking guide helps you to park safely. You can adjust the angle of the mirror dash cam when parking to eliminate blind spots and observe the surrounding situation. Loop recording function. After your storage card is full, the first video will be deleted to accommodate the latest video. You can also lock the video you need from being deleted. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.